iPhone shooters, you've been lied to. This camera destroys your phone. Meet the Z30 Beast. Feeling stuck with boring footage, noisy clips, and meh content? Welcome to the creator's curse. You're grinding hard, but your phone camera is holding you back like it's jealous of your glow up. You've got big ideas, but they're stuck behind grainy night shots, shaky vlogs, and tin can audio. You're not lazy, you're just drowning in tools that weren't built for real creators. You dream of crisp detail, pro sound, juicy bokeh, but your gear ghosts you when it matters most. If your content feels stale or your reach is plateauing, this might be your creative rock bottom. Now stack that with pressure cooker deadlines, flaky autofocus, and one too many storage full pop-ups. The burnout's real. You're battling distractions, missed trends, laggy livestreams, and frustrating audio dropouts. That spark you had? Flickering out every time you spend 30 minutes fixing one blurry thumbnail. The result? Missed views. Ghosted followers. Creative rage. You're spinning your wheels in gear purgatory while other creators hit viral gold. Don't let mediocre tools crush your momentum or your vibe. You deserve better than hand-me-down tech pretending to be creator ready. This is your permission slip to upgrade. Enter the Nikon Z30 Creators Kit, a straight-up creative cannon built for modern legends. This ain't just a camera, it's a whole vibe. We're talking 20.9 MP CMOS brilliance, eye-popping 4K video, and ultra-quiet zoom with the 16 to 50mm lens. Add in the Rode mic for crisp sound, small rig tripod grip for silky shots, and MLL7 remote so you never miss your moment. Flipping vari-angle screen? Check. Insane eye detect AF for humans, cats, dogs, check, woof. Lightweight, powerful, and yes, it dunks on your smartphone. TikTokers, vloggers, and streamers, meet your new secret weapon. Perks? Oh, it's dripping with M. In-camera presets for killer aesthetic? Yup. Up to 125 minutes of 4K recording? You bet. SnapBridge app makes sharing buttery smooth. Tap focus, face tracking, low-light slaying, it's all here. Oh, and it charges via USB-C, aka the adult way. Whether you're going live, going global, or going viral, this rig simplifies your workflow so you can create more and stress less. Want to finally feel like a pro without shelling out for Hollywood gear? Hit that link, check the specs, and imagine content that actually looks as fire as your ideas. Stop watching your potential collect dust. Creators everywhere are already ditching their phones for the Nikon Z30 and blowing up their feeds with pro-level content. This isn't hype, it's the kit that's putting beginner vloggers on the map and helping seasoned pros level TF up. Stocks won't last forever, and neither will that creative itch. Say goodbye to shaky footage, crummy audio, and energy. Say hello to legendary content. Click now, level up your game, and let your story be seen the way it was meant to. You in?